So let's make a Greek pizza. It's not even remotely authentic, but let's do it anyway. I'm going to use the crust No Sugar Aloud. That I absolutely love this crust. So it calls for olive oil. I'm not paying attention to that. I'm using avocado oil because it's my pizza and I will do whatever I want to do. So you just dump the mix in and add water and oil. That's it. And then you stir it up. Easy peasy. Slap it around, sling some on the counter. Make sure you do all of this with a disgusted look on your face, like you're really annoyed with your family or the people around you, like you've just had enough. It's gonna make the Greek pizza even more authentic. Slap your crust out, shape it into what? I don't know, just shape it so that it's, pizza-like. What was I thinking with those fingernails? Those have got to be the ugliest things I've ever had on my hands, ever. Okay, stick that baby in the oven, stick your butt in the camera. And then while that's cooking, I'm gonna take some avocado oil, a spoonful of garlic. Don't measure it. I don't know what that is. Basil, maybe? I don't know. Maybe some oregano, I think. I literally have no idea what I'm putting in there. Green seasonings. Put green seasonings and give your husband the stink eye. And then stick your dirty fingernails in with the olives. Cut them up. Those are going to be really good on this pizza, you guys. Pretty sure I'm complaining at my family right now. Yeah, an unripe tomato. That's really gonna take this pizza over the top. All right, now you're gonna take your oil mix and just kind of put a little on the crust. Why I don't just dump it out? Come on, KJ, dump it out. There you go. This is so much better than a sauce on pizza, you guys. If you haven't tried this, you have got to do it. It is so much better than traditional sauce on pizza. And for the real authenticity here, throw some generic store-bought brand mozzarella on top. Slap your tomatoes and olives on, and you're gonna stick it back in the oven. I think I did, I don't know, 10 or 12 minutes maybe. I cooked it until it was done. That's how I measure my time. When it's done or when the smoke alarm goes off. I said 10 minutes, that's a total lie. It took like 18. Meanwhile, I'll throw together some Good Girl moonshine, a little bit of Trim Healthy Mama cherry hydrates, a splash of my Good Girl moonshine stuff, concentrate, and some seltzer. I'll link the recipe for the Good Girl moonshine concentrate above. Man, I am looking happy. Look at that smile on my face. So much joy. All right, when your pizza's done, slap a little fresh spinach on there and you're gonna put it back in the oven just long enough to kind of wilt the spinach and make it look, extra bad. And then I like to throw some really authentic goat cheese from Sam's Club on top of my pizza. Y'all, if you're not putting goat cheese on pizza, well, you're probably like the rest of the world, but it is really good. Let's just get a little extra. It clearly is one of those nights. Here we go. Show it to the camera. Looking mad. Cut that pizza up and serve it up. No one in your family will eat it, but you will surely enjoy it. Make sure you give a half-hearted smile to the camera. Enjoy!